Okay. Good evening, everyone. So we are starting to learn about the left outer join and right outer join using MySQL. And for this, I'll be taking some sample data. So let me take the sample data here. So let me call it as email address. And the other one is the phone number or the mobile number. Let's take an example of this one. Now, in this email address sheet, let me give an ID, email, and the name of the person. Okay. So I'll try to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the IDs, and we'll be having their email addresses. This is the data what we have in the left table. Right table also will have the ID and mobile number, and let's take a name for it. Okay. So 10, 2, 30, 4, 50, and 6. Let's have 6, 1. Mobile number is 9686851234. I'm not sure. Okay. So we have don't worry about the name. Name expected is to be the same. I'll change only the names of okay. 1, Riaz. I'll go with my friend's name Vivek, and okay, I'll go with one more. Okay. So we have two data like this. Now, when we have this kind of a data here, taking this as a sample data, so what is that I need to do? Create table. Create database outer join. Use outer join. Create table. Email underscore address. We should have ID, name, ID, email, comma. Okay. And then I'll be replicating this, which will be having ID, mobile, and the name. ID will be an integer primary key, and it is auto incremented. Okay. Email address will be of character type, which will be 254 characters, and it will be a mandatory one. And exactly same thing goes with this character 25, comma, and it mandatory field. Okay, so exactly goes with this. ID, for example, now it will be int, not null, and it will be unique. No primary key concept here. Mobile number will be character of length 10, for example, and the name will be of character 25. So I have my tables ready. I'll copy this. Sorry. Auto increment, I think it is so table email address is already present. Yeah. So yeah. Yes, this is auto increment. This is awesome. ID mobile and perfect. So now I'll be inserting some values into it. Insert into email address with name, email field and the name field with values because the numbers will be auto incremented. Chandra@gmail.com. And this is the email. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And to take it up, I'll go here, copy, and I'll always refer to copy paste. Okay, this is my sample data. So when I'm going with sample data, select start from okay. So here we are with the first left table, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the email and then the names of it. exactly same way I'll be going with this, and this time it will be going with adding it to mobile number. So request. Mobile number is done. ID comma mobile comma. I'll be deleting this. Okay. Mobile number. Uh, 1 comma 9686856331. So according to the Excel file, it is 1020, 10 to 30, 4, 50, 6. Okay, this is my mobile number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3. So 96868563 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. The name according to the file it should be Riaz. Okay. Prasad is okay. Prasad Riaz. Then the Raju. Riaz is changed. 2 should be same. Let me do this again. So Riaz changed 30. I want it to be Vivek. 50. I want it to be. Okay, this is the name which I'm expecting. So Riaz should be updated here. Perfect. Prasad is as it is. Vivek should be updated here. Joel should be updated to 50. Okay, so Chandra, this is Prasad. Raju changed. Perfect. Changed. Perfect. John is there. Bob is replaced by Joel. Okay, perfect. So this is my data in the right table. Now the requirement is anything which is matched on the left hand side or right hand side, we need to bring only those data, then we will be going with inner join. Correct? That's what we learned. So let me type this inner join. Okay. So what is the basic syntax? Select from on keyword. So from, you should specify the left hand table, then the join keyword, then the right table. On, ID should be matched with ID. That's fine, but it is ambiguous as we have seen. This is an inner join first. So I want to refer email address as EA, aliasing mobile number as MN. This is the aliasing. I want to bring the email address ID, comma, email address field name, comma, email address field email, comma, mobile number field mobile, comma, mobile name. Okay, and the ID we should match it with email address ID with mobile number ID. So this is inner join actually. Output. So 2 is Chandra, that is Prasad. Email address, this is the mobile number, and the name is matched here. Perfect. 246, this is inner join. Left outer join means you will get all the data from the left table. Left outer join, but only the matching values from the right table. So let's see the output first and let's understand this. So you can see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left table is completely being visible. Chandra, Prasad, Raju, John, Bob, Stella is present. Email address is present. Whereas what is not present, because there is no matching value for 1 with respect to ID, so it is not giving any value for name because it is not matched. So you might get a requirement that get me all the people who have their email address in our system, but if they have the mobile number, we want to even see that. So left table, they want to see everyone because it's already present. But if it is not matching with any value, then they want to see this value. This is left join. Then obviously what will be the right join? Right join will be, let me go to that and let me modify this. EA mobile number mn.id. What will be the right outer join? Right outer join means it should display all the values from the right table. If it is having any matching value based on the condition, then it should display that value on the left hand side. This is right outer join. So as you can see, 246 on the left table, which is having the email address is matched with 246, that's fine. But 10 doesn't have any matching value, 30 doesn't have any matching value, and 50 doesn't have any matching value. So these three, we have mobile numbers. Now what is the scenario is, whoever has the email address, and if they don't have the mobile number, we want to send the SMS email for them to update the mobile number. If they have the mobile number and if they don't have the email address, we want to send the SMS so that they can provide us the mobile number. If they have email address and mobile number together, we don't want to communicate with them. Make sense? So left outer join and right, full outer join, right outer, it's an intersection of both, the union of both left and right outer join. But in this scenario, intersection and union is also one of the concepts. So I don't want to bring that at this point of time. Left inner join means matched values are giving the output. Left outer join means it will show all the values from the left table, matched values from the right table. Right outer join is all the values from the right table should be displayed, every record, but only the matching one will be displayed from the left table. Make sense? Okay, clear? So I'll be sending all these things over the email. The first thing is you people have to execute it. I'll try to bring more, and tomorrow's agenda will be self-join. So let me do one thing. The first thing is